Hi everybody, so tonight we're going to have some cod. I got 2 pieces of cod. 2 pieces were basically $10.77. Each piece of cod has about 40 grams of protein. The way I'm going to prepare it, it's going to be about 300 to 330 calories. I whipped up some eggs. I'm going to put just a little bit of panko plate here. Not too much. It's mainly going to be Parmesan cheese. Break this up, mix it up. I'm not going to use all of it, I just want to make sure it gets a nice coating. So I'm going to take my cod, put it in my little egg mixture, use 2 eggs, so it's not going to be too bad there. All on here. Then we're going to put it in the air fryer. A little pan liner here. Get the other piece ready. Get as much of the Parmesan as I can on it for the taste. And in my air fryer, this is about 10 minutes. Wash my hands off real quick. I'm going to make some asparagus with that. Got my little steam in the bag. Put that on for about 3 minutes. And in about 10-12 minutes total, we're going to have us some Parmesan Crusted Cod and some asparagus. Very healthy, not too bad in calories, very little breadcrumbs, but just enough to give it a little bit of crustiness. Alright, well, I hope your dinner is as healthy and as good, and I'll catch you next time.